Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you a very effective remedy in 2 minutes. Whiten yellow teeth and turn yellow teeth to pearl white with very simple ingredients at home. You will be shocked with the result because this will whiten your teeth at home with very simple ingredients, yet it's very effective. So the first thing we'll need, my friends, to prepare this magical remedy in a clean mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline or petroleum jelly, and then add to this 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And you cannot use baking powder instead of the baking soda, it's not gonna work the same. And then we'll need to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, just a regular salt. And then we'll need to mix all these ingredients until they turn into a whitish cream. Once the ingredients turn it to this whitish cream, that means it's ready. Now, with an aid of your fingertip and apply it on each tooth, scrub the tooth with it and keep scrubbing gently your tooth without the toothbrush, just with your fingertip, and you will be shocked that it's removing any stain. It removes the yellowish of the teeth and it whitens the teeth. This magical remedy can be stored for up to 15 days, so it's pretty good to stay for longer time. Keep using that remedy until you get the desired whiten. Use it twice a day. So I hope that video will help you too. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming simple and natural effective remedies like that. And I will see you in my next video.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.